Next, essential quality of a wise ruler. What is essential quality a wise ruler need to develop? Viturar said, self-awareness. He should self-aware and have self-control. Five senses he need to control, and he should be aware of his lofty ideals. Clarity of goals, where he is going, he should go with clarity. Industriousness and ethical conduct. So, what does this words means? So, the word lofty ideas means he needs to be highly moral. Not only that, ethics should be highly obtained by this ideals. He has to have a good ideal of what he's going to do. Then industriousness means he should be working smarter to achieve the goal. Not only should they have should be self-aware, self-control. He should have a good morals. He should have a proper clarity, and he should work smarter to achieve the goal. And should follow the ethical conduct. Always follow the ethical conduct. This is the wise ruler. This will become a wise ruler.